message is transmitted at the request of the following government agencies and government-supported agencies: the U.S. Department of Defense, the U.S. Department of State, the Federal Bureau of Investigation's Unusual Incident Unit, the SCP Foundation. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 1:27 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a containment facility of the SCP Foundation has experienced a massive containment breach. Multiple anomalous entities contained by the Foundation have broken containment. Dangerous SCP instances include, but are not limited to, SCP-096, SCP-106, SCP-173, SCP-682. The SCP Foundation is already working on recontaining all entities that have fled the facility. To ensure your safety, follow these instructions carefully. Lock any possible way into your house. Close any curtains or blinds. Do not look outside of the window. Do not interact with any entity or figure outside of your home. Do not open your door under any circumstance. Turn off all lights, light-producing or radio wave-producing devices, and lock yourself in a room. Turn on a portable radio on the frequency 106.8 MHz and follow the instructions said by the voice on the radio. Most importantly, do not panic and remain calm at all times. You must follow these instructions carefully to ensure your safety until the all-clear is given. Secure, contain, protect, and God bless America.